Does the company you keep define who you are? What if that company is controversial and raises more than a few eyebrows? This is the question that has been plaguing the ruling Zanu PF party in Zimbabwe recently. It all began with President Emmerson Mnangagwa's public appearances with the notorious businessman Chivhayo. The story goes back to the not-so-distant past when Mnangagwa started making public appearances with Chivhayo. An ex-convict known for his flamboyant lifestyle and controversial business dealings, Chivhayo's presence alongside the president was more than a little conspicuous. The pair were even reported to have shared a private jet, a fact that only added fuel to the fire. As the whispers grew louder, the tension within the Zanu PF party began to rise. Vice Presidents Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi, in particular, were reportedly unhappy with Mnangagwa's association with Chivhayo. Their bewilderment was palpable, as they wondered what was really happening. The vice presidents are wondering what is really happening. Actually, they are shocked. The worst thing is that President Mnangagwa is not even telling anyone what he is up to, revealed sources within the party. The secrecy surrounding the president's actions only deepened the mystery. Perhaps the most alarming speculation was that Chivhayo was being groomed for a top position within the party. Do not be surprised to hear that he is now a minister. There are some favors being extended to Chivhayo, the sources continued. This claim, if true, would certainly add another layer of controversy to the unfolding saga. To sum up, the controversy within the Zanu PF party centers around President Mnangagwa's association with the controversial businessman Chivhayo. This association has raised questions and suspicions within the party, particularly among the vice presidents. The secrecy surrounding their relationship and the speculation about Chivhayo's potential rise within the party have only served to intensify the situation. So, does the company you keep define who you are? In the world of politics, it appears that it might. As this story continues to unfold, one can only wonder what the future holds for the Zanu PF party, and indeed for Zimbabwe itself.